Okay, in the last video, we have discussed about connections, how to connect GitHub account, how to connect your Netlify account, how to connect your Vercel account. And now I will show you how to connect your Supabase account. So to connect your Supabase account, you can actually come here on the main screen. You can click on this Supabase button. Click on this button from here. Okay, you need to register yourself on Supabase, and you can just sign up using your Gmail account or your GitHub account, okay, or any other email. Click on generate button. I'm going to use the token name, let's say hello world. Click on generate token. The token has been generated. I'm going to copy this. Now come here to paste it. Click on connect Supabase. My all projects you can see here are here now, and you can choose a project. You can choose so you can select a project to use. Let's say I'm going to use Koala Hub, and this is connected. So that's how you connect your Supabase account for particular project. Okay. Now we will talk about what is Supabase. Okay, so Supabase is a kind of a database as a service. Okay, you can connect your Supabase account. Supabase gives you option to connect your project with the database. So let's say if I'm here on the Koala Hub, okay, I'm on this Koala Hub project. I can have the database, I can have the authentication, I can have the storage, and I can have the real-time database also. So these four things are really important for any project. So if you are building a project, let's say which needs to have the database feature to store data or information to the database. Let's say if you are building a project related to e-commerce, or if you are building a project to uh, store to sell digital products, so you need to store the information about your orders, about your customers, about your products and inventory. So where the information will be stored, it is going to be stored in the database. So here database, you can actually store all the information for your project, and using the authentication, you can actually have the login feature for your users, and all the emails and all the login authentication will be managed by Supabase. Okay, and the storage actually gives you the feature to store the files. So let's say if you are going to have a marketplace for digital products, and you want to store all your digital files to the server, you can use storage. It works like S3 for on Amazon services, web services, so AWS. So let's say if you're just going to store the files, you can actually use storage to create bucket from here, and you can store the files there. We will talk about this in some other video, how to use storage and how to create buckets, how to store them in the database, how to use them on xBesh. Okay, and the real time is something like when you are just talking, when you are just using some real time database, like chat, like real time chat, like real time uh, streaming or something. So you can use real time database to connect with a channel, and you can just stream data, like chatting, like streaming text or something like that. Okay, even for games, for real time games, you can use the real time database. We will talk about this in some other video, okay, in details, so you can understand what is it. So Supabase is a fully fledged database as a service. You can use it for free for 3 projects. After that, you can upgrade, and you can use it. It's amazing, and it works pretty neat. So you can use it for your project to build your project like production ready. Okay, all right. Thank you so much. And in the next video, we will talk about how to analyze the data and how to save your projects and sync them. Okay. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.